Is your system execution path interrupted by the Cimwin32 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. While we explore the technical guide for Cimwin32, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This DLL file is the WMI Win32 Provider library. It acts as an interface for Windows Management Instrumentation (WMI), allowing applications to query system information regarding hardware, software settings, and local OS configuration. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Because the Cimwin32 DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check. Open command prompt with administrative rights and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the Cimwin32, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing the Cimwin32 DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes the Cimwin32 related documentation. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored the Cimwin32 functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.